Meet the 5 most powerful characters in Tensei Shitara Slime Datta Ken. Rimuru Tempest, the main protagonist, possesses unmatched versatility and powerful magic abilities. Shion, the loyal secretary, wields incredible strength and is a formidable fighter in any battle. Milim Nava, the demon lord, embodies raw power and destruction, making her a fearsome opponent. Rimuru Tempest, the storm dragon, has immense magical prowess and is a key ally in Rimuru's journey. Rimuru, the skilled warrior, combines speed and strategy, making him a crucial asset in combat. Subscribe for more insights into your favorite anime characters.